Hello there and welcome to another one of these Lexical Lab 1 minute English videos. If you like this video, make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel and check out our website www.lexicallab.com to find out more about our online courses. The other day I was chatting to an old mate of mine called John, who works for a company that run a chain of rather lovely pubs here in North London. And my friend is basically responsible for overseeing the running of these pubs. And he's stretched quite thin. He has to look after all the different pubs, and it involves a lot of travelling around and a lot of work. He mentioned to me the fact that he was feeling a bit under the weather. He thought he might be coming down with the flu or something worse, and I suggested to him that he should maybe think about taking a day off work. He's not famous for missing days of work. And he looked at me like I was a little bit crazy and said, No, I couldn't do that. There'd be all sorts of hoo-ha if I did. Hoo-ha is basically fuss and discussion and trouble about something that you don't think is particularly important. So you might hear a story, for example, about some pictures that have been hacked from some celebrities' accounts or phones or something, and the pictures appear in the tabloid newspapers and they cause a great hoo-ha. There's all this scandal and discussion and fuss and talk about them, even though basically you think they're not very important. A book might come out that causes a real hoo-ha, or a film might cause a real hoo-ha. There might be a news story that creates this big scandal and fuss and discussion in the media, and you might comment, yeah, I don't get all the hoo-ha around this. I don't get why there's been such a hoo-ha about this particular story. We also sometimes use it just to talk about trouble and fuss and faff that we encounter in our everyday lives. For example, last year I got a parking ticket, even though the parking place that I'd parked in had a meter that was out of order, and a sign had been stuck on the meter saying no parking charges today because meter is out of order. Okay? Despite that, I still got sent a fine, and it took me about 6 months to get the fine overturned. I had to write emails and letters and make phone calls, and basically, after a great deal of hoo-ha, they agreed that I wouldn't have to pay the fine. Hallelujah! If you've enjoyed this video, please do click the like button. Please share it on social media with your friends, your students, your colleagues, and in the comments section below. We'd love to see how you might use the word hoo-ha.